puppy. Mud pie.
Hey, Asa, here comes the doggy.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy.
It's okay.
Yay!
Oh my God, look at him. Yeah, I agree.
Toddlers always have good things to smell.
Yeah. Hi, puppy. Cutie.
Do you want to pet her?
You want to pet the doggy?
Say hi, puppy. Want to pet her?
Oh, that's a nice doggy, huh, bud?
What's her name? Daisy? I grew up with a black lab named Daisy.
It's a good name.
Yeah.
What's this? This
Is she
not a lab,
is she
though.
a lab?
No.
She's a lab mix.
Lab
Oh, wow.
mix, yeah.
Something.
It's so fun. I'm so dirty. What you built it? What are you building? You don't know yet? Kind of just whatever the mood strikes you?
Yep. Making a mess. It's always a good time.
Mud pies.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
There goes Dave. There goes Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Ah.
Yeah, I wouldn't get that dog at any lab.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Come here, bud. Don't go far. Come here.
Asa, stay. Here. Go back to mommy. Go back to your shovel. Here comes the water.
Hi, buddy.
That was so funny. I was like, oh wow, my family dog was a black lab named Daisy.